Digwit YouTube, conas sorry it's been a little while since I made my last vlog. I know I said I'm going to try and get one done every week, but work is just prioritising things, and I'm just actually no, I'll get to that in a minute. Life's going good. It's nice and sunny. Finish pretty much all of ICL at the moment. A couple more meetings to go to, and I think there's some weekends that I won't be able to do. But that's work, that's life. I've got my Father Collins fun day coming up this Saturday, so that should be very good fun. Everything's all set to go. I don't think we've anything missing. If there is, it's a bit late to be changing it now, but we'll see what happens. As you can probably tell, my voice isn't as great as it used to be. That's just me being stupid. I was standing out in the rain with a group without my rain jacket and got drowned twice and ended up with a cold. But in saying that, my voice is an awful lot better than it was 2 or 3 days ago. I literally couldn't speak. So that's that. The other bit of news I was going to get to is I have a new phone. And I kept my little Goomba thing, charm, whatever the heck you call it. So yeah, I decided I had to drag myself into the 21st century eventually. So I went out, I got a decent phone, and it's working well so far. I have dropped it once. I haven't drowned it or anything like that. And it is waterproof though, so with any luck it'll survive. I'm going to get some kind of a good case for it soon. That's about it. Because I have the new phone, I can take my laptop with me and Wi-Fi anywhere, so if I happen to vlog while I'm in Cavan again, you don't have to wait for me to come home to upload it. But however, that's the crack. Everything's busy. It's all quiet at the same time though. Like, the routine is going well. So no, I'm enjoying it so far. Lots to be doing. I'll try and make another vlog at some stage next week. Give you an update on Father Collins. Might get a little bit of footage for that. Other than that, I hope you're all well. Be sure and leave me a comment down below and let me know how you're getting on. Check out a couple of new vlogs and things like that. I haven't been watching that much YouTube recently, but I'm going to catch up now that I have the facilities to. So, Gurmila Malgood YouTube. Hope you're well. Slán.